Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Praktika AI. In order to do so, here we are at Praktika.ai, and if you're unfamiliar with Praktika, it is an AI language tutor. Meet your new AI tutor, making language learning fun and efficient. You can try Praktika free. However, there is a subscription that you will need to pay at some point. 19 out of 20 English learners struggle to speak fluently. Praktika is here to change that. The expertise of a private tutor with all the excitement of a mobile game. Only 20 minutes per day. It's affordable, flexible, available 24/7, and adaptive. You can see here that we have different lessons, practice zones, and learning pathways. We can go through those different lessons in order to improve our English. And what do students say about Praktika? It has an App Store rating of 4.8 based on 5 million plus scores. You can see here a variety of very positive reviews. And what you have with Praktika is a specific avatar that you choose, and it will help you in order to have smarter conversations. And it has a human-like voice and appearance, diverse backgrounds. It's the fastest way to learn a new language. With Praktika, you're looking at about $8 a month for the subscription. Traditional methods, sometimes you might be paying up to $400 a month. Personalized exercises designed to optimize learning. You get AI feedback loops, unique AI tutor-led exercises. It will help you identify interests. If your native language is not English, then you can learn English with Praktika. Real-time student language performance, language goals. You can go from a beginner to fluent with Praktika. And 50 times cheaper than a tutor, featuring state-of-the-art AI technology. Your tutor is going to take you through and help you learn English using Praktika. And you can get this on Google Play and on the App Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.